Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be try to find out the question, the answer of this question, that is what is the limit on Tabby, like what is the minimum purchase limit and what is the maximum purchase limit. So let's just try to find out today. So as you can see that currently I'm on the support page of Tabby, and here this query or this article mentioned that how much can I spend with my Tabby Pay Later. So it is saying that Tabby is committed to responsible spending, which is why every spending limit is carefully considered before approval. The spending limit assigned for Pay Later can depend on the following factors, like your payment history with Tabby, your remaining balance and your unpaid order with Tabby, the purchase amount of your shopping basket, and other factors to determine the approvals, which we are able to reveal due to the security reasons. So this is the article about your existing Tabby balance. However, it is not showing you how much you can actually spend, like what is the maximum purchase limit and what is the minimum purchase limit. So in order to find that out, you can just come across this response, like according to the available information, the minimum purchase amount for Tabby is usually around AED 200 or equivalent in other currencies, while the maximum purchase amount can vary depend on individual credit limit, but is typically around 5000 AED to 10,000 AED. So we found our answer to this question. We found out the minimum purchase and the maximum purchase limit. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.